Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. If you've ever been on the hunt for a skincare set that can help hydrate, moisturize, and rejuvenate your skin with powerful ingredients, look no further. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 6PC's anti-aging skincare kit. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for a gift for someone special, this set promises to deliver some real results. So before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon so you can stay updated on all the latest beauty reviews. Let's start with the basics. This skincare set includes everything you need for a complete facial routine: a facial cleanser, toner, serum, eye cream, hydrating mask, and a facial cream. It's designed to hydrate, moisturize, and revitalize the skin. Packed with key ingredients like retinol and hyaluronic acid, this set is a great option for anyone looking to target those fine lines, dry patches, and uneven skin tone. The first thing that stands out about this set is the promise of high-quality ingredients. The retinol and hyaluronic acid blend is a win for moisture and hydration. If you're familiar with these ingredients, you'll know they're proven to improve skin elasticity and help skin appear more youthful and radiant. And what's not to love about that? The formula is sulfate-free, which is great for anyone trying to avoid harsh chemicals. Plus, the products are said to be gentle on all skin types, making it versatile for those with normal, dry, or combination skin. I'll be honest, this set fits smoothly into my daily routine. The facial cleanser is gentle yet effective, leaving my skin feeling clean without that tight, stripped sensation. The toner and serum work together to give my skin that hydrated glow. I especially love the eye cream. It's refreshing and absorbs quickly, which is a plus when I'm on the go. I've been using the hydrating mask about twice a week, and it feels like a mini spa treatment. The results? Softer, smoother skin with noticeable hydration. When it comes to real-world usage, I've found that the products work best when used consistently. The texture of each product is lightweight, which makes layering a breeze. I didn't experience any irritation, which is a huge plus, especially for people with sensitive skin. However, for anyone with extra sensitive skin, I'd recommend patch testing first, as some ingredients in skincare products can be a bit intense for very sensitive skin types. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the set has a great mix of moisturizing and anti-aging ingredients. The packaging is elegant and functional, definitely a great gift set with a thoughtful presentation. It's also very reasonably priced considering the premium ingredients. The only downside? The set is not suitable for those with super sensitive skin. If you fall into that category, you might want to approach with caution, as retinol can sometimes be a bit strong. So, is it worth the money? In my opinion, yes. The set is priced well for the quality it offers. The ingredients are top-notch, and the products really do deliver on their promises of hydration, firming, and skin rejuvenation. For anyone looking to refresh their skincare routine without breaking the bank, this set is a solid choice. If you're looking for something a bit more affordable, there are other skincare sets on the market that offer similar hydration and anti-aging benefits. But if you're willing to invest in quality, this set stands out with its luxurious feel and high-performing ingredients. I also wanted to mention the customer support. Although I didn't need to reach out personally, the brand does have a reputation for being responsive and helpful when it comes to customer inquiries or any concerns. Now let's wrap this up. This 6PC's anti-aging skincare kit is perfect for anyone looking to take their skincare routine to the next level. It's a fantastic option for women, whether you're treating yourself or buying a gift for a loved one. The high-quality ingredients and thoughtful packaging make it a great choice for any occasion. If you're after smooth, hydrated, and rejuvenated skin, this set is worth a try. Thanks for watching. If you've tried this set or have any other skincare favorites, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And don't forget, if you're interested in this set, the link to purchase is in the comments. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.